Doing good, I'm your host Jason and welcome to my Zoho Analytics tutorials for beginners. Before diving in, what is Zoho Analytics? This is one of the best platforms for business owners or overall anyone that would like to analyze their data. Whether you are a YouTuber that is looking to go more in depth and you want to get more analysis or better information on your YouTube channel, this is the platform for you. For example, this is how their YouTube dashboard would look. Once you have added your YouTube channel, you'll be able to get the regular data that you'll get on YouTube, plus you can get even more in-depth data using Zoho Analytics. For example, if I were to scroll down, you can see your top 10 videos. You can also see the monthly card click-through rate and the trend, and there are numerous other features that you can get. And you can do this with numerous platforms, so you'll be able to collaborate different platforms and get their analytics using Zoho Analytics and have access to all of that on one dashboard. If this sounds good to you, be sure to stick around until the end and watch this tutorial. Now, to get started is completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto zoho.com/analytics. Once you have done that, you can either tap on sign in the top right hand corner, or you can sign up using your email address right here and tap on sign up for free. Once you're signed up, you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this. Once on this dashboard, you'll see the different apps that you can quickly connect to. So all you'll need to do if you would like to connect one of these apps, let's say for example Zoho Sales IQ, you'll simply tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, from there you can simply tap on next. After tapping on next, you'll be redirected to a new page, and from there you can complete your sign up. So let's say for example I were to use Salesforce. I could tap on Salesforce. After I've done that, I'm going to simply say this, don't show that, and I'm going to tap on next. After you have done that, you'll simply tap on Authenticate Salesforce, and from there you can connect your Salesforce account. So whether you have a Salesforce account that you would like to connect, or a Microsoft Excel file, or a Begin file that you like to connect, or Google Ads that you like to connect, you can quickly do that. And to view different samples, so you could tap on View Samples for Salesforce, and then you'll be redirected to this page, and from here you'll be able to get a quick overview of how it will look once it is connected. So you can see all the analytics that you'll be able to get access to if we were to connect our Salesforce account, as you can see right here. So you can see that it goes really in depth. And if we were to go over to the left hand menu option, you could tap on reports, and from there you can get a more in-depth view of each report by simply selecting the report right there. You can also zone it down by year or by age tier, as you can see right there. And if we were to tap on data, and let's say for example tap on price book entry, you can see all of the data for the price book entry right here. So you can see how that looks. So as I was saying earlier, with Zoho Analytics, they go really in depth. Now let's say we were to go back to the main dashboard. You can see all of the different sectors or better yet categories that you can choose from. So even if you have an e-commerce store, you could tap on e-commerce, and then from there you could quickly connect your Shopify store by tapping on Shopify. Once you have done that, you'll simply tap on next. Then from here you'll be able to input your Shopify domain name, and you can add your API key right there and connect your Shopify store. Now to view a sample Shopify dashboard, we could tap on View Samples, and you can see how the dashboard would look. From here, you'll be able to view your sales, orders, and you can also view the active customers, as you can see right here. So once you have granted Zoho Analytics access to your Shopify website, you will be able to view all of these in-depth analytics, as you can see right there. So you can see fulfillment and shipping status orders. You'll be able to view that. You can also view the low stock products and so much more. So Zoho Analytics is definitely worth giving a try. And here are some other sample dashboards that you can quickly look on. So this is one for Google Analytics. With Google Analytics, you'll be able to view the viewer's age, you can zone down, and you can view their gender and so much more. So it combines all analytics from different platforms, as I was saying earlier, and you will get access to all of that by simply logging into Zoho Analytics. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe